Ondha Nagnath Jyotirling is in Hingoli district in Maharashtra. It tells the story of Lord Shivji and his devotee Namdev. This Jyotirling was established by Dharmraj Yudhishthir at the time of Pandava's exile. Pandavas stayed here for some time. They had a Kapila cow. They felt that the milk of the cow was milked by someone. Bhim said to Yudhishthir, "Here is something wrong. That cow is milked by someone." Yudhishthir said, "This is your misunderstanding. Who is coming here to milk the cow? Let us see." They went after the cow. The cow went into the pond and poured all the milk there. They saw that place where cow poured the milk. They saw a shivling there. That was seen so little. They covered it with sand and had made it that can be visible easily. This is the place where now this Nageshwar Jyotirling is seated. In previous time, casteism was in full swing. Low caste people could not go there. The story of devotee Namdev tells that there is no importance of casteism for Lord Shivji. Devotee Namdev was the true devotee of Lord Shivji. He went for darshan. The priests of the temple asked his caste and could not allow him to come into the temple. They insulted him and turned him out. Devotee Namdev felt very low and he sat behind the temple. The facing of the temple moves behind where devotee Namdev was sitting. Lord Shivji appeared there in front of devotee Namdev. Many people who were presented there had seen this miraculous incident. Commonly, all the Jyotirlings facing is in east or north direction, but this Nageshwar Jyotirling facing is in west direction. Lord Shivji showered his full blessings over devotee Namdev. Here is a Gurudwara of Namdev in this temple. A hand chakki is placed inside it. This chakki symbolizes the blessings of Lord Shivji. Once devotee Namdev was asked to grind the wheat for too much people. It was impossible to grind the wheat in a short time. With the blessings of Lord Shivji, the hand chakki began to revolve automatically. The whole wheat grinded in a short time. This was the miracle of Lord Shivji to defend his devotee. For being reverse direction, it is called Ondha Nageshwar Jyotirling. This temple is decorated beautifully by nature. It has beautiful gardens and has a lake for boating. Every temple is made of bricks and every shivling is made of stone. But special feature is our mentality. It is our cultural and religious heritage that makes us close to nature and God. God does not reside only in temple, it resides in the mind of his devotees. Through meditation, focusing on the Nageshwar Jyotirling and through the riding of the air, we can reach into this Jyotirling. During lockdown, for coronavirus period, through meditation, we can find our God inside and enjoy the pilgrimage of Ondha Nageshwar Jyotirling Temple. We can pray for releasing the coronavirus from the world. As Lord Shivji is the God of the greatest scientists and surgeons. Through meditation, we can find our God, Lord Shivji, within our mind. Ondha Nagnath Jyotirling is